I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Random. Welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. And if you're not new here, hey gang, and welcome back. Welcome to a brand new video, and I have something different for y'all. I'm doing an unboxing that is not planner related. It's part of my little holiday vlog, so I did pick up one item from Black Friday, and I'm so excited about it. This has been a purchase I have been meaning to make for a long time. I've been back and forth. Asked if I wanted to purchase one. You guys know I like to vacation. Y'all know I like to go to like theme parks, which I don't think I'll be able to use this in, but I like to vacation. I like to do recording out and about when I'm doing my errands or if I'm seeing the sights. So I decided to pick up this baby. I'm gonna get the box open. So we are not going to waste any time. This is an Amazon pickup. I did watch it for the entire day, and I'm glad it struck because Amazon, when they met Black Friday, they met Black Friday. Usually they do it, retailers do extended Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that kind of thing. I actually didn't check to see if it was on sale. Oh no, Cyber Monday is tomorrow. I'm recording this really fast. Anyway, without further ado, this is what I got. I got my first drone. I am crazy excited about this. Y'all see that? I went with the Ruko F11 mini. Now the original drone I wanted was the DJI Mini 2 or the 3. I can't remember. That one retailed for $500, the one I wanted, and the next model up was $600. This one retails for $339, and it was on sale for holiday for $199, and then they had a Black Friday sale for $99 off. So I picked this baby up for $100. Now it took me a while to strike because I was nervous about buying something at such a budget, but I know I also wanted to save money because I didn't want to get my dream drone until I practiced with less expensive one. So $339 was less expensive, and then when I got it for $200 off, it wasn't a no-brainer. And I spent Thanksgiving and Black Friday with my family, so this was a early Christmas gift from my mother. So Ma, if you're watching, thank you for this. I'm trying to get it open. I'm trying to be gentle because I don't know which way. So anyway, as I was saying, it took me a while to pick what I wanted. I watched a lot of YouTube videos on the different models because they had 3. It was a choice between 3 that I wanted that was around the same price. One of them was okay, but I didn't like the quality when I watched the people's footage, whoever did a review on it. And then some of the footage I saw on the reviews on Amazon weren't that great. This one had the top 2 of the quality, the specs I wanted. I wanted something that can do like a hover and a orbit without me controlling it. I wanted something that can take flight and land on my commands. I wanted something that the quality was great, that shot in 4K, that held up to the amount of memory. Now with the memory piece, I'm not sure if I got the amount of memory that it could hold. I think one I saw could hold up to 3 gigabytes of memory, of a 3 gigabyte memory card, and I did see one that held up to 128. But I think that just goes to quality. I wanted something that shot in 4K, even though the footage that you guys see is only in HD 1080p. I think I'm saying that right. But so, you know, I guess with the better quality of recording is the better of the quality of the output once I finish editing. I don't know why I'm having trouble speaking. I think I'm just excited. So it comes in this nice bag. They give you a carry kit with a handle, just so when you're traveling with your drone, you can pack everything in. So we're gonna get this baby open. So right off the rip, it just lets you know that you are getting into something serious. Now, I did also want a mini drone because I didn't want to have to deal with the FAA registration. In hindsight, I think I should have went with a drone that was a little bigger because the FAA registration is only $5 and it wasn't that much trouble to deal with. So hopefully I could play around with this one, and if I decide to switch it out for something else, I might, but I might not, because I did get this on such a good deal. So I may wait and get a bigger drone once I get more practice. So right off the bat, it comes with 2 batteries for you to use. So that way you get a good amount of flight time. I think each battery is 30 minutes of flight time. So this is what the battery looks like. And you get 2 of those. Then you also get the controller. So this is the controller you use to operate the drone. These are the joysticks you use to like go left, right, up, down, and whatnot. And then these buttons here is where you pan for the angle of the camera if you want to, you know, get record, if you want to get footage from up top or below. Then what is it, this that operates the camera? I'm not sure. I don't remember from the videos I watched, but no, these are the ones. These are the ones that control the angle of the camera. So nice. I thought I got the one with the screen. Let's see. I don't want to break it now. They have all these buttons. So let me open the handles first. So the handles just pop out, so it just makes it easier for you to control. And then, does this lift up? Yes, this lifts up, and then this is where you put your cell phone to act as your screen for when you're controlling the drone. So it just expands so it fits a nice size phone. Mom, can you hear me my phone? Thank you, director. So here's my cell phone. I have the iPhone 14. Does she fit? She does. Oh, we're gonna be fly tech. So this is what you have, so you can control kind of what you're seeing up top. You do want to keep a visual eye on your drone, from what I see, because it could crash into anything. And then with the winds, this is a mini drone. This one, the size I mentioned, where you don't have to register for the FAA, this is under 55 grams in weight. So yeah, that's the controller. This is what you would use to operate your drone. And I already picked out the place I want to go. We do have a what do you call it, I forget what they call it. I was looking them up last night. It's a place where you can fly your drone legally without having to deal with permits. I do have 2 parks, well, one park that's very close to me, but everyone says it sucks. I looked at it, it doesn't look kept, but I will probably visit it to do some flying. And then there's another one that's not too far from me, maybe 5 miles away. I do want to visit. And now here is the baby. Oh wait, what else comes in here? Because this can't be it. All right, so inside the kit, there's also this mesh section for extra storage. So if you want to bring your batteries along, which you should, yeah. It comes with extra blades. I don't know why I'm opening it. I want to be really delicate. So it comes with extra blades. I think it comes with a new set for each arm. And what's this? It comes with alright, cool. So it comes with some charging cables, a USB, well, two of them. Two USB cables, and then this is the, I guess, the port that I use. I don't know if you could see it. This guy right here, the type of charger. My battery's dying. 1 second. All right, sorry, my battery died. So it does come with the two charging cables, as I mentioned, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna put this all back in here because I don't want to lose anything, and I have chargers out here that it has the same connector. And then it also comes with this screwdriver, so if you have to do any repairs outside, or if you're working with it indoors, getting it ready for flight, you are good to go. It also comes with a quick start and safety guidance guide and a user manual. So I'm not going to be using these today because this is just like a show and tell. I wanted y'all to see what I picked up for Black Friday. I don't understand. I can't wait to fly it. I can't wait to get some amazing footage. And now the star of the show. So here it is, the Ruko F11 Mini. This is what it looks like folded. So about the size of the palm of my hand. I think open, it said it's about 11 inches. Now let's get this baby open. Oh, I don't want to break it. I'm trying to be as fragile as possible. All right, there's one arm. And there we have it. This is it in all her glory. This is very light. Yeah, this is definitely less than half a pound. Right? Is that what it is? It says 55 ounces, 16 ounces to a pound. I don't know, y'all. But it's very light. Here it is. This is the camera. It comes with a cover over the camera. I think you just remove that. Yeah. And there's the camera. Right there. Shoots in 4K. And it's very tiny. I thought, originally I thought drones were like you had to attach a camera with it, so you got the flying device and then you needed to buy the action cam for it. I think that's the original reason why I bought my action cam, was to do some drone flying. Then I kind of fell off of that, and I just keep coming back to wanting a drone, and I finally got it. So here she is, the Ruko F11. Just a show and tell, and hopefully I come back really soon with flight, with a demo video. I did look at the weather for the week, and I feel like I could go out on Tuesday or maybe even tomorrow, but I don't think I can get my husband to go out with me. So yeah, this is it, the Ruko F11 Mini. I'm super excited about this pickup. Let me know if you guys are into drone flying, or if you have a drone, or if you want one, which one are you eyeing? And I'll be back with more on this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Fireside is blazing bright. Oh, oh.